Renovating your home can be an exciting and rewarding experience. It allows you to transform your living space into something new and improved. Whether you're updating your kitchen, remodeling your bathroom, or giving your entire home a makeover, Renovations can breathe new life into your home. Home renovations can be a messy affair. Dust, debris, and construction materials can accumulate quickly, turning your once cozy abode into a chaotic construction zone. Paint splatters on the floor, sawdust in the corners, and plaster residue on surfaces are common aftermaths. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Many homeowners might consider tackling post-renovation cleaning themselves, or hiring a standard cleaning service. While regular cleaning is suitable for day-to-day maintenance, it often needs to catch up regarding the rigorous cleanup required after renovations. Safety should always be a top priority, especially in your own home. After builders clean, ensure that no hazards are left behind. Sharp objects, loose nails, and other potential dangers are thoroughly removed, making your space safe for you and your family. Renovations are a significant investment of both time and money. After builders cleaning helps protect that investment by ensuring your newly renovated space looks its best for years. Removing dust and debris from hard-to-reach places prevents long-term damage to your surfaces and fixtures. Airborne particles like dust, allergens, and VOCs can become trapped during renovations. Poor indoor air quality can lead to health issues and discomfort. After builders cleaning effectively removes these particles, improving the air you breathe. You've invested in your home's aesthetics through renovations. Now, it's time to showcase the results. After builders clean, it restores the beauty of your space by removing smudges, stains, and imperfections. Your new kitchen, bathroom, or living area deserves to shine. Post-renovation cleaning can be time-consuming and exhausting, especially if you attempt it yourself. Hiring professionals for after-builders cleaning saves you time and relieves the stress associated with the cleanup, allowing you to enjoy your newly renovated space sooner. Now that we've established the importance of after-builders cleaning, let's delve into the process. It's essential to understand what to expect and how the professionals tackle this task. To help you better appreciate the transformation in your renovated space, after-builders cleaning is a systematic process. It involves several essential steps to ensure your space is pristine and safe. The first step is to assess the extent of the mess and plan the cleaning process accordingly. Professionals will inspect your space, identifying areas requiring special attention, such as removing paint splatters, cleaning ventilation systems, and addressing structural dust. Dust is the most common and persistent post-renovation problem. After builders, cleaning starts with thorough dust removal. Professionals use specialized equipment like HEPA-filtered vacuums and dusting cloths to ensure dust-free every nook and cranny. Every surface in your renovated space is meticulously cleaned. This includes wiping down walls, ceilings, floors, countertops, and fixtures. Cleaning agents for different surfaces remove stains, smudges, and any residue. Windows and glass surfaces are given special attention to make them crystal clear. Any paint splatters or adhesive residue are carefully removed to restore the view and natural light in your space. Light fixtures, switches, and outlets are cleaned and polished to shine like new. This attention to detail enhances the overall appearance of your space. Flooring can bear the brunt of renovations, with scuff marks, stains, and debris becoming commonplace. After builders cleaning includes floor care, such as vacuuming, mopping, and, if necessary, deep cleaning or polishing, to revive your floors. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining indoor air quality. Professionals clean air ducts and vents, ensuring they are free from dust and debris. This step can greatly improve the air you breathe. After completing all the cleaning tasks, a final inspection is conducted to ensure every detail has been noticed. This quality check guarantees that your space is clean, safe, and ready for use. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.